Hello, welcome back, my creations. How you guys doing today? Today, you guys, we have some other pork chops, white rice, and sweet corn, and bread. We're going to say a prayer, get a thumbnail, and dive in. So, how y'all doing? So, like I said, you guys, we have some other pork chops, butter white rice with gravy, sweet corn, a side of bread, all prepared by me, your girl, Quee. A side of hot sauce, because you know Quee love her some spice. And the drink today, you guys, we're having berry punch by the brand that make the Hawaiian punch. That's a new flavor, and that's bomb, y'all. So how y'all doing? So let's get a thumbnail. Y'all see this pork chop? Yes, y'all. Yo, girl was craving some pork chops. And Quee wanted them smothered, baby. So we finna dig in. You know, Quee gonna start you off with the first bite. So this is brown gravy. I have green peppers and onions in it. No mushrooms this time, you guys. Let's take the first bite. There y'all go. There you go. And do y'all like bread or biscuits with y'all gravy? Just suck that bread all up in it. And y'all even see my corn. So let's get into this pork chop, y'all. Move this corn a little bit so y'all can kind of see it, because these some nice sized pork chops. I'm just blocking the corn a little bit so y'all can see that delicious sweet corn. And y'all comment down below and let me know what you eating with your girl Quee. There we go. All right. Let's see how tender it is. There y'all go. Yes, y'all. So bomb. So bomb. Y'all, my middle child, her birthday is coming up in a couple of days, Mozzie. She's gonna be a big 9. And then y'all know Queen usually talks to y'all, but today we just finna grub. I'm glad I was hungry. I ain't ate nothing all day. I've been ripping and running, getting things done. I don't know, y'all. Queen's trying to be all cute, but we may have to pick these. Uh-oh. Look at me, y'all. Hands slippery. Anywho, like I was saying, I don't know, your girl Queen might have to pick this bad boy up. There's a knife ain't cutting it from me, okay? Yes, Lord. Yeah, so y'all need to get y'all some smothered chops ASAP. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, we finna pick up this pork chop. As you know, Queen don't care about getting messy. It ain't good eating if you ain't getting messy, baby. Period. Let's get this rice from under here first before we pick her up. Y'all see that stain? That pork chop still hot. Fresh out of that joint. Got us some hot sauce. Let's put us some bell pepper and onion back on here. There y'all go. You wanna bite? Finger licking good, y'all. So good. Yes, Lord. And that berry punch is good, y'all. That's real good. I'm ready for another bite. Let's get us another bite, y'all. There y'all go. Yeah. So we is definitely grubbing with y'all today. I ate up all my rice, y'all. Y'all go. Yes, Lord. So glad my parents taught your girl how to cook. Yes, Lord. Y'all, so bomb. Can't make this up. So bomb. Y'all. I ain't gonna be able to get into the second one, y'all. Probably because of this bread. I usually eat one piece, but this gravy is so bomb. Y'all. Whew. My mouth a little hot, y'all. Excuse me. Yes, Lord. And yes, I'm breaking my bone now. Why my hands so darn slippery? Excuse me. All right, you guys. We definitely grubbed with you all today. All right, so thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you to my day ones. I appreciate each and every one of you all for being here with me through my YouTube journey. You will not be disappointed. Make sure you all are staying blessed, most importantly safe, and don't forget to check on your loved ones. See you later, my creations.